This is a birthday cake I did a few months ago. I did not have the intention of uploading this as a YouTube step-by-step tutorial at the time. So the only thing I filmed was just a few snippets of how I carved it. So let me know in the comments below if you do want to see a step-by-step tutorial. I can redo it so you can see how I actually put this together. It was a really super easy design. And matter of fact, this is a buttercream cake. As you can see, I did the cup part in buttercream. In the top part, I piped in icing. So you don't even have to cover this in fondant. The only fondant I used was when I put the edible image on there and then the green stripes around the cup part. So just let me know below if you want to see how I did it. It's super easy.